That is friggin' pretty. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and this is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare. Sometimes we unbox things, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Ring that notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Today we are doing an unboxing. Actually, we're doing two unboxings. We're doing Boxycharm Base Box versus Boxycharm Premium. So this month I actually got both boxes relatively close together and I thought I'd unbox them. So we're going to start off with this month's base box. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. This one, the base box, retails for $25 US plus shipping, which I want to say converts to about $41 Canadian with the shipping all included. And it comes with 5 items. They're always full-size items for the most part. And this is one of my favorite subscriptions. And then there's also Boxycharm Premium, which is the bigger box, which comes with more high-end items and usually comes with more items. It retails for $35, I want to say. I apologize if I'm wrong. And we're just going to get right into it. I'm not going to give you any more information. I'll leave it linked down below. And let's go for it. So this is Boxycharm's base box for the month of November. So every month Boxy does put a card in and they list all of the products that you get in your box along with the retail price. So I really do like that. I like to know what the value of it is, especially considering I only paid $25 US for some of these items. So the first item is by Beauty Creations. This is their Cali Glow Highlighting Powder. This retails for $14.99. I have an eyeshadow palette from Beauty Creations and I really like it. It's very nice. So we're gonna just open this up. It's very nice packaging. So it does have a plastic sleeve over top and it comes with 3 highlighters. So Malibu, Santa Monica, and Manhattan Beach. So those are them right there. So we're just gonna swatch these. Oh, they feel so soft. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. That's amazing. Now that I'm feeling this, I realize how much I love the eyeshadow palette I have because their shimmer shades are very creamy. So this is very similar. That's beautiful also. Probably too dark for me, but that's all right. Use it as an eyeshadow. And then we have the shade Manhattan Beach. That is friggin' pretty. Oh, I'm actually very excited for this. I'm definitely going to try this out. We're going to test it. We're going to see what we think. The shade Malibu is probably perfect. And the pan sizes are very large. And it has a mirror, so bonus. Put that back in here. I'm going to set it aside. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's actually very mild here today. I went outside and I was like, whoa. It is nice. Okay, next product I'm pulling out is, this is an anti-pollution youth ampoule by Earth Harbor. This is their Helios Natural Ethics C Active. Looks to be a serum. Yeah, so this is their serum. Oh, that's really nice. Smell like what? So it says it's made with red algae, so that's very interesting. I'm actually really excited to try that. It's very nice packaging. It's a glass bottle, nice dropper. I'm super excited to try that out in my skincare routine. I love getting that's my favorite part of Boxycharm, is that you get full-size products and I get so many different things to try for such an affordable price. You really can't beat it. All right, so we also have, this is by Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Primero Primer long wear sticky pigment base. So this retails for $14.99. It's just something to try, and if I don't like it, I'll pass it on to one of my sisters or one of my friends and they will get to try it out. I'm excited to try this. I did just try a new eyeshadow base the other day. This says it's a print. I'm wondering, so it looks like that. Oh. Okay, so that looks and feels nice. It is tacky, which is okay. I will definitely set this aside and I will film a video with this and let you guys know what I think. This retails for $15. Also have, oh, I'm so happy I got this. This is the Give Me Brow by Benefit. This is retails for $24. It's an amazing product. It's just their volumizing gel. It's in the shade 3. Just comes with a little spoolie. I'm super excited. So just try it right now. Perfect. Away we go. And one more product in my base box, which I am not gonna lie, I'm just so excited I got this. This is the Peak palette from Natasha Denona. I do believe this is a Boxycharm exclusive. I could be wrong. Now, this is it right here. If you don't already know, Natasha Denona palettes, their eyeshadows can be very pricey. And this color story, I'm not gonna lie, is just like, it's the perfect color story for me. So I am super excited to try this. We're gonna swatch this really quick. First impression, feels very soft, very creamy. Pretty decent pigment there too. That's awesome. Next shade. Whoa. That's pretty awesome. That's a really, like, there's a lot of pigment here. Clean off my hands. I'm definitely going to film a video with this palette. And I'll give you guys a little bit more on my thoughts. Oh, wow. This one feels so soft. And then it comes with one shimmer shade, and oh, that feels so pretty. And that's it right there. Oh, that's not a true swatch because I should use this finger. Sorry, let's do that again. That's it. Oh, that is pretty. Yeah, definitely gonna film a video. It's nice packaging. These can be pricey, but the mini palettes are a lot more affordable. So I am super excited to try this. So this is an amazing box. Like, amazing. So we have an eyeshadow palette. We have a full face palette. We have a serum. We have a brow product. We have an eyeshadow product. And that is our 5 items. That is awesome. So I'm super excited for this. So remember, I paid $25 US for all of this. That's a win. Next, we're going to go into my Boxycharm Premium for the month of November. So we're going to get into the Boxycharm Premium next. So same thing, we're on the harvest theme, and I have my items all listed on the back. The first thing I'm going to pull out is this is by Glow Alchemist Biology Beauty. This is their Detox Night Cream. I saw this in their pop-up, and I actually almost bought this, so I'm glad I didn't. Actually, I have to say, I'm glad with all the items I bought in pop-up because none of them came in my premium box. So this is it right here. It's just a squeeze tube. Apply after cleansing and application of targeted serums. Both for all skin types. Cool. This retails for $125. Well, what? Has anybody ever tried this before? Is it like magic for your face? I'm really, really intrigued by that. Pretty excited to try this. We'll definitely keep that. I will definitely put that to good use. So thank you, Boxycharm. Let's go on to the next product, which is, this is by Ilia, I don't know what that says. Ilia Beauty. This is the Color Block High Impact Lipstick. This retails for $28. Oh, that's really nice packaging right there. So it's just like, it's like a hard, not metal, like a hard plastic. And then, ooh, of course, they sent me the shade of lipstick that would just be, I'm going to be a big sucker for. That's really creamy. That's really pretty. Putting this on right now. Oh. So this is $28. So we'll just have to wait and see how this wears. It's a really pretty color. I do like it. I like the packaging. It's in the shade Rosette. So I will keep you posted on that. If I don't like anything, it ends up in a faves and fails video anyways. So if you haven't already checked out those videos, make sure you keep an eye out for them. Then we also have a single eyeshadow. This is by Dose of Colors. If I could open it. This is in the shade Caffeine Queen. This was another one of those things that I almost bought in pop-up, but I didn't. Wow, I'm just gonna rip it open. Packaging is not my friend today. It happens. All right, so it comes like that. What is wrong with me today? Oh, it's pretty tricky to open. And it has a mirror. Oh, that's like, what does that feel like? Oh, I don't know. That is just a whole lot of, that is an interesting shadow. It's like, it feels like powder, and then you swatch it and it feels like almost like a cream. That is very interesting. I'm totally going to try that out and let you know what I think. I have only ever tried one other thing from Dose of Colors before, and it was a lipstick, and it's one of my favorite lipsticks. So hopefully this will be a win. We also have a lip liner duo from Real Her. So I've tried a couple products from this brand before. I think I have an eyebrow pencil. I have an eyeshadow palette from back in the day. One of my first like subscription boxes. Okay, so it comes with two. This is them right there. That's really nice packaging. I really like that. They come off like this. This one is in the shade I Am Confident. Oh, that is creamy. I like that. That looks really nice. And then this one is in the shade Be Yourself, Be Real Her. This one's also really pretty. Wow, those are just like, I'm shocked at the creaminess. I can't wait to use these. I'm really happy so far. I have two more products. All right, so these, oh, sorry. I need to tell you prices. The Dose of Colors is worth $20. Interesting. These are worth $25. They're very nice and creamy though, so also a little pricey for lip liner for me, but I don't usually wear lip liner because I'm terrible. The next product is by Cosmetics. This is their skincare brush set. This retails for $25. I'm just going to take them out. Oh, I'm actually so happy with that I didn't order any of these things in Boxy Pop-Up. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys want me to do an unboxing of what I ordered from Boxy Pop-Up or just post it to Instagram? This is the cleansing brush, sorry. Oh, that feels really nice. So I might actually do a skincare video, and I plan to use these. This one is the dual-sided silicone mask applicators, so I'm pretty excited for these. And last but not least, we do have an eyeshadow palette. This is by Illamasqua. Illamasqua? I don't know how you say that. That's it right there. I tried a primer from them once. It was like a jelly hydrating, I don't know what it was. I didn't love it, but a lot of people do love it. So this is it right here. Oh, I like the shape of the palette. That's very nice. So comes with a little sleeve, tells you all of the names. And then, oh, okay, I'm going to say like pictures didn't do as much justice for this as like these. Whoa. I'm not going to swatch the whole palette, but that is friggin' nice. Let's try this one. I am really excited right now.
Me too.
And let's just swatch this dark matte brown right here and see how that, ooh, I'm really excited. That's awesome. So I'm totally going to film a video with this palette for sure. I hope you get to see all of these products. Let me know in the comments below, do you get Boxycharm, and do you think that this was worth it? I think that all of these products were worth it. I'm not as excited for Boxycharm Premium this month. I really wasn't last month either. I find the base box seems to be my most favorite, but we'll just have to wait and see. They do have a third subscription, which is it renews every 3 months, which is their Luxe box. And that one honestly is my favorite. I love everything I get in my Luxe box. Now next month, I think I'm gonna postpone my Boxycharm because I do need to use what I have. I need to go through everything. So I'll probably not be doing any unboxings next month, but you'll see a lot more of my makeup tutorials. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments below, do you have Boxycharm? And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. I'll see you later. Bye for now. Oh, I know what I meant to do. The Natasha Denona palette retails for $48. So, and it is a Boxy exclusive. It says so right here on the card. Thank you. I don't know. I don't even have a mirror in front of me, which I should, because there's like so many things on this table.